We have always been on the forefront of innovation.
Celerion is a contract research organization, and what that means is we work with pharmaceutical companies from around the world to help them develop their drugs.
Celerion offers industry's most extensive facilities across Europe and North America. This includes 3 facilities with over 600 beds.
Celerion lines of business are early clinical services, which is actually the clinical portion where we bring participants in and test medications. Then we have bioanalytical, which will take the blood samples or urine and analyze those for the PK of the drug. We also have data management and pharmacology, which then take all of those results that we generate in the clinic and bioanalytical and then puts them into listings and tables and summaries, which is a report that actually ends up going to the FDA.
We've been doing this type of research for many, many years. The very first clinical trial that Celerion's legacy companies ran was in 1969, so we've got a lot of experience in this area.
With our expertise and over 40 years of experience, Celerion's customers trust us with the most complex studies.
Celerion's global clinical development team manages all aspects of complex multi-center patient studies through proof of concept and beyond on a global scale across therapeutic areas. Our full range of services combined with our global reach ensures that our clients' products get to a go, no-go decision as quickly and as smart as possible.
I share their passion for doing something that will help patients see a difference in their lives, either now or in the future.
Our values and principles are universal, practicing the highest ethical standards, commitment and professionalism toward one another, our clients and study participants.
It's important that we have a global footprint because there are pharmaceutical companies all over the world, but more importantly, there are patients all over the world. So we need to be in position to support the research wherever it may need to take place.
Pharmaceutical research goes on globally. Many times companies want to stay in certain geographic regions of the world to conduct their studies, and if you're not there, you're not able to help them.
There are some contract research organizations that do everything. Very beginning lab work through to the pieces of the research that go directly to the regulatory agency. We don't. We focus very specifically on what's called phase 1 and 2A, which is the very first time a drug's introduced to humans through the very first time it's introduced to patients. And because we're able to be very focused in that area, we know the areas that are the most challenging in that piece of research, and so we can focus our efforts there.
We have a depth of experience that is beyond what our competitors have. We don't spread things out over different phases of studies. We really focus on phase 1. And then we've also focused on technology, which has really helped us speed up how we collect data, how we do it consistently, and then at the end, that data is real-time available for clients.
Celerion stands for speed, swiftness, and that's actually very appropriate because Celerion conducts studies faster than any of our competitors.
Our job and our duty really is to help pharmaceutical companies develop their drugs and get to answers as quickly as possible because there are patients out there waiting for those life-saving treatments.